Hello everybody, my name is Ryan Marketell. Today I want to be talking to you guys about sports card collecting and the ins and outs of the industry. Why do people collect sports cards, how I got into it. So the first slide here, the first point I have is tradition. It's often usually between father and son. Personally, for me, my dad got me into it. He had a collection of his cards when he was younger. We would go to the store and he would buy me packs whenever he would let me. If I had a good game in football or baseball, my dad would reward me with a pack of football or baseball or basketball cards. But he eventually showed me his collection and then handed it to me when I was a little bit older. I recently just got back into it after taking probably a 10-year break. But it's a great tradition. That's why usually people get into it, because their dads or family members were interested in it and they handed down their cards. But it's starting to rise again, the card industry, because all these people who had cards when they were younger, now they're having kids and now they're collecting just like me. For the second point, it's an investment and also a gamble. So for people who buy into cards, exactly, if they buy them on eBay, they're buying the card in hopes that they'll be successful in the future. But if you just buy packs, that's also a gamble, because you don't really know who you're going to get, and it could be a waste of money. But most of the time, people invest in these cards who think they're going to be stars in the future, and so they'll buy them cheap right now, and then hopefully their cards will take off and be worth much more than they were previously. For the third example I have, they're addicting to collect. I mean, me and my friends got into it, and we're just sharing cards with each other and over eBay. And we'll be like, hey, this is a really cheap card right now, and this player will probably be successful in the future. He'll probably be an elite player at the next level. We should buy into this card. And so over time you'll spend hours on eBay or any of these online sites looking for cards that are cheap right now, and it'll be worth something in the future. So it's definitely a hobby that it gets addicting, and it's a gamble, but it's fun. It's more of a social hobby for me now than it was back then, because me and my friends didn't really share cards or were able to purchase cards on our own. But I like the future of the industry, and I'm really starting to get into it again. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the presentation, and thank you for listening.